These are the only two areas which I felt is a con because I use wireless charging in most places.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I will be doing the unboxing and review of the JBL Wave 200 truly wireless earphones. So this product is manufactured by Harman. JBL is actually a brand of Harman and Harman's parent company is Samsung. This product's MRP is written as 5,999. On Amazon it is currently selling it around 3,000 rupees. So this is the box package. As you can see, this is the blue color variant. There is also one white color and also a black color variant that is present. Now I will go ahead and do the unboxing of this product. As you can see, inside the box we have the case of the TWS, inside which we will have the TWS itself. It actually looks like a very good quality case, and this is the TWS itself. This is the charging cable. It is a USB type A to USB type C based charging cable. It's a very small charging cable, but if you have any other USB type C based charging cables with you already, you can use that. This is the extra ear tips for small and large size ear canals. Medium ones will be always fit. This is a very thick booklet, quick start guide. While we were unboxing, what is the quality of the case? How do you feel the quality of the case?
It's a plastic case.
So we have the charging port over here. As you can see, there is a bit of heft and the quality of plastic is also very good, and also this opening and closing mechanism doesn't feel that cheap as well. And here are the TWS itself, grayish blue in color. You have to remove the yellow color protection that is present on both the earbuds. Then only we will be able to make sure that the earbuds start charging. Yes, charging case looks to have some charge in it. Now let's go ahead and start the pairing process of the earphones.
The JBL Wave 200 uses Bluetooth 5.0 technology, and connecting to a new device is a breeze. Just open the case of the earbuds, take out the buds, and the device will be seen in your Bluetooth list. Later, just go ahead and click on it, give permissions, and connect your TWS with the phone. I tried connecting with Android, iOS, and Windows computers as well, and the connectivity first time is easy, and subsequent times it just connects based on your previous actions. So every time you don't need to fiddle around to find the right connection. While few people have complained about connectivity in Amazon reviews, I haven't faced issues as such. You cannot expect premium level connectivity over here, but it is actually good for the price. Coming to charging, it takes around 2 hours for the device to fully charge from 5% to 100% as per my testing. It needs just around 15 minutes of charge to run for 1 hour. So in an urgency, it is good for a quick top up. Overall, the charging is good, but unfortunately, there is no wireless charging which is supported in this TWS and also the case. Coming to the battery life, it gives around 4.5 hours of battery life, and the case gave me around 16 hours of battery life. So I charged the previous day, put the TWS inside the case almost 3 times until the case had no charge left. So the battery life is pretty good in my testing. Now let's talk about the sound quality of the TWS earphones. This uses 8mm drivers on the each earbud. They claim the bass to be great, but it is just okay in my opinion. It has an impedance of 16 ohms, and because of this low impedance, higher battery life is being able to achieve on this TWS. The volume levels are pretty good. It gets loud enough for you to listen even in crowded places like a metro or a bus, etc. It does not have any active noise cancellation feature, but due to the rubber ear tips and also the in-ear style ear tips, it gives manageable levels of noise cutoff. It has dual connect technology, which helps in taking calls or listening to music with just one earbud. So the battery life will be saved on the other earbud. The mic quality is also pretty good for this price range. You could take normal calls and video calls on Microsoft Teams or Google Meet easily with your working teams. It has gesture support like single tap for music play or pause, double tap for the next track, triple tap for the previous track, and gestures also work during calls as well. Long press, that is tap and hold for 2 seconds, activates the personal assistant on your phone like Google Assistant or Siri, and it also works very well. And because of its ergonomic design, it gives a good fit and comfort in your ears. I like in-ear style earbuds like this one or AirPods Pro or other in-ear style earbuds which uses the rubber ear tips because it sits perfectly for my ear style. The JBL Wave 200 can be used for long hours as well. There are 2 extra ear tips as well for small and large size ear canals. Overall, I have really liked using the TWS except for the fact that it does not have ANC and wireless charging. These are the only 2 areas which I felt is a con because I use wireless charging in most places. And this TWS is actually very good for the price. On the box it mentions around 5,000-ish, but on Amazon you will get it around 2,500 to 3,000 rupees. And if you get it around the 2,500 mark, you can opt for it. my honest opinion is 5,000 rupees segment is actually a saturated market for TWS earphones, and pinpointing the best one is a pretty difficult thing on a generic level. There is a best one for everybody's specific requirements. So that is pretty much it for this video, guys. If you have liked this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.